Hey everyone, welcome to this video, Organizing Assets with Metadata. So let's talk about using metadata for organization. There are two types of metadata that can be attributed to any asset in the platform. There are two types of metadata that can be attributed to any asset in the platform to organize and sort content. The first is categories, which is a taxonomy, metadata that has a hierarchical structure. The other is tags, which can be applied with more freedom. Create and manage tags and categories from the categorization section of the site administration panel. You can see that over here on the left. So let's talk about tags. So tags are a folksonomy, which is an organizational system classified by users. There really isn't a grand scheme of organization. We're just highlighting elements that we think are relatable. It allows users to organize their own content, and new tags can be added to an asset when the asset is created or edited. So we can come back into an asset with the appropriate permissions anytime, edit, and add more tags if we'd like. Tags can also be directly created from the site administration panel. I think to just give a quick example, if I have a photo of nature, I could tag it with flowers, birds if they're in the picture, maybe outside, daytime. These are all the things that I think are going to be important to me and other users. We also have the ability to auto tag assets. When we set up auto tagging, we can automatically attribute tags to images, text-based documents, and text-based web content. So image-based auto tagging has three different providers that can be used to select the appropriate tags to attribute to an image. We can see that over here on the right. We have Google Cloud Vision, Microsoft Cognitive Services, and TensorFlow. Text-based auto tagging has two different providers, Google Cloud Natural Language Text and OpenNLP. So then we have categories. Categories are a taxonomy. And this means that they have a strict hierarchical structure. So where we can casually add tags where we feel like it, categories are going to be a little more planned out. For one thing, categories are created by administrators and then can be assigned to assets. As we see over here on the right, an administrator is creating a new category called Office Events that we can apply to the different assets that are related to Office Events. And since we're talking about hierarchies, we should say that there is a group of categories. These are vocabularies. So within our vocabularies are our categories. They're mainly used to identify the topic of the group. Time for a knowledge check on this short video. Tags are a folksonomy. They are defined by the users. Categories are metadata with an organizational structure. Auto tagging can be configured for images, text-based documents, and text-based web content. Categories are a taxonomy. They have a clear and defined hierarchical structure. Categories are organized using vocabularies.